All right, our team name is Class Bridge. Our team members are Adrian Armenta, Alvaro Ortaza, Brody Penn, and Anish Val. So for our track and challenge, we are the education track, and we focused on the technologies in the education field and how to improve for students in low-income areas. And we also wanted to grab the financial hack as well in there. And the reason for that is because we want to promote financial literacy all throughout a family unit, so parents and children. So our project purpose, the main focus of ClassBridge, is to bring financial literacy to those who come from low-income backgrounds. And these people usually do not have access to the proper schooling and other resources to where they can become more financially responsible and be more aware of their spending and investing. So for our technologies used, we used Firebase, React Native, TypeScript for the front end, Tailwind CSS, and Figma. So we have a little flow chart over here, and this basically details how a user would use our app. So they would use our React Native app, sign up, and that would use Firebase Authenticator. We haven't fully implemented that yet, but once they are logged in, basically what we can do then is they'll have a lot of choices. So they can go into a specific class, they can manage their profile, or once they go into a specific class, they can actually go to display data. In this, we can get all sorts of data points. So from assignments to grades, book meetings, and assign like assessments and all of that. Now, in full transparency, we have not implemented all of that in the front end, but the back end has all of these as working methods. And then in the end, we all display the data to the user. So next, I'm going to bring you to our Firebase to show what that is like. So here's our Firebase, and right here we can see Firebase functions. So all of these are deployed on the cloud and are serverless functions. So essentially, anytime these get an HTTP request, basically they will run, execute, and they will do what we need. So for a homework due, this would give all of the homeworks that are due within a certain time period, right? For get course, we could get a specific course using that course ID number. So all of these are 100% working and are implemented in the front end. Then we will go to storage. So Firestore database is where we store our information. And here we have a collection, and we didn't choose a relative database design because we wanted to try something new. This was slightly hard to implement, but in the end it did work out. So we have courses, all of these are the course number, and then in this we have different things. We also have it in English and Spanish. For homeworks, we have the same thing, except we have it in a much similar format. Now I'm going to show you the Figma. For the Figma, we have a lot of designs of our front end. Now all of these haven't been fully implemented, but about 90% of them have been. So what we have is a login page. Once you log in, then you would go to your courses. From there, you can go into it, access homework, access the other things. We also have a reminders page. Reminders will basically tell you what courses you have due, like assignments that are due for those courses. From there, let me show you how the login page works. So here I am on the login page, and the login page is separate from the other part of the page once you are logged in. But here we're going to type in the email, and then I'm going to switch to password and now type in the password. And so here I would click login, and it brings us to a blank feed. Now this is where we pick up from the other side. From over here, this is where we have our About Us. Our About Us is just a basic short thing that basically tells users what our app is about, what you can learn from it. And this is really helpful for someone who's new, and we do have different language options. So here we are going to go to courses. So here we have our top courses and all courses. Altogether, we are enrolled in 7 courses on this account. For this one, I'm going to go into, I'll let my partner pick which one we're supposed to go into. Any one of them work. And all of this is loaded from the back end. And so let's go to homework and readings. Boom. So this is also a reminders. So reminders actually was really good about this, is that it'll show you the top 5 most recently due assignments. So we have these over here, and you can see that these are coming soon and they have to be completed. Now let's go back to courses. And here's our profile settings. In our profile settings, we have our information. All of this is from the backend. All of the information that we display is from the backend. Anything else we're supposed to show? Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.